Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers Nissan Frontier. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass and securing it. Locate the small release tab at the blade pivot and press it while sliding the old blade down off the hook. Align the new blade with the hook, slide it up until it clicks, lower the arm gently, and test the new wipers for smooth motion. In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers Nissan Frontier. After lifting the arm, support it so it does not strike the glass. Find and press the plastic release tab, then slide the blade down and off the metal hook. Inspect the arm and adapter for damage or corrosion, clean the contact area with a microfiber cloth, and keep any small clips for reassembly if needed. In this video, I will help with replacing windshield wipers Nissan Frontier. Position the new blade under the arm with the adapter aligned to the hook. Slide the blade into place firmly until you hear or feel a click confirming engagement. Tug lightly to confirm security, then lower the arm carefully. Repeat the process for the other side and perform a water spray test to verify streak-free wiping and correct installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.